Hello friends, I am Sanjay Purohit from Sankesh Study Center. Today we would like to see question answer of chapter number 2 supplementary book Footprints Without Feet. Name of the chapter The Thief Story. Author very famous Ruskin Bond. Let's have a look at question answer. We would like to see it from camp only because it has got length and more summarized thing rather than Navneet. So far this chapter is concerned. Question 1. Who did I refer to in Ruskin Bond's theory? Story. I in Ruskin Bond's story was a boy thief of 15-year-old. He changed his name every month to escape or run away from the police and his former employers whom he had robbed or stolen. He had taken the name Hari Singh when he met Anil at a wrestling match. He had decided to befriend Anil to find a new victim, a new customer to rob or to steal. Question number 2. What was Hari's fairly successful hand at? What was Hari's fairly successful hand at? Hari, pseudonym, had been a thief from his childhood, and at the age of only 15, he was an experienced and fairly successful hand robbing people, especially his employers. मतलब जहां पे वो जो काम करता था उसके मालिक को. He was wanted by the police, but he took a new name every month to keep ahead of the police and former employers and changing the town or cities. Question number 3. What did Hari get in return for his work from Anil? What did Hari get in return for his work from Anil? Hari made the morning tea at Anil's house, and then he would go and buy the day's supply in the market, his grocery and this all. Sundries. Sundries means etc. Anil was not in a position to pay him any salary, but he gave him a place to stay. For that he was not charging, and food to eat. For that he was not charging again. He also taught him to write his own name and promised to teach him to write whole sentences and to add numbers in subtraction, add, etc. However, on the sly, Hari did make a profit of a rupee a day when he went to market to buy the day's supply or grocery and etc. That's how he was getting money. He was not getting money directly in the form of salary by Anil. Question number 4. How did the thief think Anil would react to the theft? When Hari ran off with Anil's money, that bundle I told you, he had a change of heart. His conscience became very conscious, right? He found himself guilty and he decided to come back. He knew that Anil's face would show only a touch of sadness when he came to know about the theft, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust or faith that he had in him. He was the most trusting person Hari had ever met up till now. That was the answer of question number 4. Number 5. What did Hari say about different reactions of people when they were robbed? Very important question to me. बहुत अच्छा है. Hari in his short career as a thief and even being a adolescent, 15, 16-year-old boy, had made a study of men's faces when they were robbed. बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. Greedy man showed fear. वो अपना भय दिखाता है. Rich man showed anger. कोई चीज का उसको बहुत ऐसा लगता है कि ये प्राइस टैग बहुत बड़ी है, और वो बात बात पे चिल्लाता है, दिस कॉस्टली थिंग यू हैव लॉस्ट और आई हैव लॉस्ट. बट द पुअर मैन शोड एक्सेप्टेंस. पुअर मैन हमेशा एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है अपनी नसीब से, अपने फेट से, और ऐसा मानता है कि मेरे नसीब में नहीं था तो गया. However, he knew that Anil's face would show only a touch of sadness when he came to know about the theft, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust or faith that he had in him. Very good question. Question number 6. Question number 6. How did Hari Singh justify to himself his intention of stealing Anil's money? How did Hari Singh justify to himself his intention of stealing Anil's money? Hari Singh knew where Anil kept the money. He got selling his book to a publisher and got something like 600 rupees, 12 notes of 50. He decided to steal it. He justified his act by thinking that he had worked for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on a rupee a day on the shopping, he had neither received salary nor had he done anything in his line of work, and this was the best opportunity for robbing his employer Anil, because first time he has seen this lump of money in Anil's hand or in Anil's account. Next question. Did Anil realize that he had been robbed? Very good question. क्या उसको पता चला? क्योंकि चैप्टर में डायरेक्टली नहीं है, और एक वेट या तो डैम्प नोट की वजह से हमको पता चल जाता है. Anil must have realized that he had been robbed because the notes of money were wet under his pillow. However, he didn't react at all. उसने कोई भी जताया नहीं. He didn't make Hari feel low, nor did he scold him, rebuke him, blame him. It seemed he was happy that Hari had returned home with the intention of being a very good person. And thus how, right, he had not shown that. No doubt, he realized that. Now, question answer from Think About It. यहाँ से भी who knows पूछ लिया तो. Question number 1 from Think About It. What are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? What make him return to Anil? Hari Singh was an illiterate 15-year-old boy who was grateful when Anil taught him to write his name. Anil also promised to teach him to write entire sentences, whole sentences, and to add numbers as well. Hari knew that once he could write like an educated man, he would be capable enough to achieve anything that what he was achieving earlier on. However, when he stole money and left Anil's house, he was trying to run away. He realizes that his life would be better if he had learned to write the whole sentences. That could bring him more than a few hundred rupees, that what he had stolen from Anil, 600 rupees only. That will give him 1 or 2 weeks at most, like a luxurious Arab. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometime he caught, but to be really a big man, a clever man, a respected man was something else. He returned to Anil's house and kept back the money he had stolen. That's how his conscience was biting. He felt absolutely guilty what he had done. Question number 2 of Think About It. Why does not Anil hand the thief over to police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what way is Anil different from such employers? उसने पुलिस को क्यों नहीं, उसको पता था फिर भी. Anil was a writer for magazine. He made money by fits and starts, means irregular income, not a fixed income. He had allowed Hari Singh, the boy thief, to stay in his house without taking money. He couldn't pay him any salary, but gave him food to eat and taught him to write his name and promised to teach him to write the entire sentences and to add numbers. इतनी तो help की, अब salary क्या दे? When Hari stole his money, he could have easily handed him over to police, but उसने ऐसा नहीं किया, right? But he didn't. When Hari kept back the money back after realizing his mistake, He didn't mention a word about that incident even. He realized that boy wanted to mend his way and should be given a chance. Right? आजकल ऐसा कौन करता है? He gave Hari a 50 rupee note and told him that he would be paid a regular salary. On the contrary, वो अभी उसको regular salary देगा. Also, he would start teaching him to write sentences. Yes, Anil is a different type of employer. He has been through poverty. Sorry, he has been through poverty himself. So he understands the psyche of Hari, means mental condition of Hari, and helps him. Anyone else would have handed him to the cops or police. Talk about it से question answer लेते हैं. Talk about it. Do you think people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction? Or are there such people in real life? Yes, there are few people like Anil and Hari Singh in real life as well. However, in today's day of competition and poverty, many children are not able to study. So they take to petty means very ordinary things like thieving, that is thief. As they grow up, they become misfit unless people like Anil come in their life and teach a lesson. We would wish that more people like Anil are there to change the boys like Hari Singh and making them better human beings and make the society improve. Next question, number 2. Do you think it's a significant detail in the story that Anil is struggling writer? Does this explain his behavior in any way? Anil is a small-time writer who earns by fits and start irregular income. He is unable to pay Hari, who is working for him but gives him a home and even teaches him to write. He understands Hari's psyche and must have known that the boy pilfered, Pilfered, means to steal or rob. A rupee from the purchases he made at the market every day, but he let it go. He was knowing but negligence, overlook. He concentrated on educating him and made the boy realize the mistake of stealing. When Hari stole his money, he could have easily handed him over to the police. When Hari kept back the money after realizing his mistake, he didn't mention a word even about the incident. He realized that the boy wanted to mend his way and should be given a chance. He gave Hari a 50 rupee note and told him that he would be paid regularly and would also start teaching him the right sentences and numbers as well. बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन था. अब जो दो क्वेश्चन है, have you met anyone like Hari Singh? Can you think and imagine the circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old boy into a thief? And where is the story set? बराबर. तो मैं उसका फटाफट आंसर बता देता हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Have you met anyone like Hari Singh? Can you think the imagine and circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old boy into a thief? मैं तो मिला नहीं, but author को मिला होगा. Yes, I have met a boy like Hari Singh who came to work in my dad's office. He came from a remote tribal area but had big dreams. He worked hard in the office, but there were things that my father found were missing. They were usually things he could sell. One day he was caught red-handed by the camera system, CCTV nowadays. However, it was found that he was trying to put back a mobile of another employee he had stolen some days ago. He confessed but broke down. My father called all the staff. Everyone agreed that he should be given one more chance. Everybody was like, Anil. Today, after 5 years, the boy has turned a new leaf. Life में नया पत्ता आ गया. Boy has turned a new leaf, एक idiom है, and has been promoted. He has found a life partner and has vowed, taken oath to give the best education to his son. Last question. Where is the story set? Ruskin-born thief stories seem to have been set in the north. How do you know that? Lucknow Express, UP. It could be Uttar Pradesh, where the Lucknow Express passes from. Hari Singh tried to escape in the train with Anil's money. So one can come to that conclusion. Very simple. मैंने आपको वहां पर भी बोला था वो वीडियो में. Also, the wrestling matches would draw people in a semi-rural area, so it is not based in a city, and characters may be possibly conversing in Hindi and not in English also. So thank you very much, all of you, my dear students. If you like, you can share and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Goodbye from Sanjay Purohit. Thank you very much.